Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So as you can see, I'm outside in the forest today, in the Black Forest, Schwarzwald. And I thought about reviewing this watch, and I thought, why not do a small intro, like walking through the forest and showing you the Black Forest or the Schwarzwald. As you can see, a lot of needle pine trees, a lot of dark green colors. Thank God today we have some blue skies in Germany, so it's really nice. And yeah, so the watch is called Enigmath Schwarzwald Expedition. Here it is. And it comes on a black canvas strap. I put it on this Artem sailcloth strap, deep green or olive, matching with the colors of the trees. And as you can see, they have the Enigmath, this on the inner bezel, the two crowns, screw down crown, 41 millimeter. But I will go through all the specs and what do I think about the watch in a bit, when I find a place to sit down and set up the camera and all the stuff. I just wanted to take you on a walk through the forest so you can see where the watch is supposedly, let's say, most functional. So basically, when you're on an expedition and you need to calculate the distance that you walked or the speed that you were walking with, you can use the Enigma system, this crown system on the 2 o'clock to calculate different calculations. I think they are 12 or 14. They have even a PDF. And I'll show you on the big one so it's easier to read, but it's the same on this one. And you can use it while you're on expedition in a place like this one. As you can see, large trees, a lot of greenery. So I'll find a place to sit down, set up the camera, and then be back to review this one. And if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you like outdoor videos. As you can see, here is the city, and we're inside the Black Forest. So if you do like these kind of new videos where I have a frontal camera and maybe show around the watch and everything, let me know. I'll try to churn a couple of them, maybe different topics with different watches, and let's see how they go. Okay, see you in a second. At last I found a place to sit down and review the watch after a long day of hiking. This is my old city where I used to live. And around it is the Black Forest. And here we have the Boldr, Enigmath, Schwarzwald. Schwarzwald is Black Forest, so it's inspired from here. And it's an expedition watch. So you have the inner bezel, as you can see, where you can move it from this screw down crown. A lot of bugs here, so you can screw this down, and you can also adjust the time from here with these really nice cutout hands. I really like them, loomed. Both crowns are screw down crown. And so the specs of this watch, I don't have my caliper with me, but this is a 41 millimeter watch, and you have 12.8 millimeter thickness, where 47.5 lug to lug with drilled lug holes. And the watch comes with a I'll show you a nice canvas strap, but I wore it on this sailcloth strap from Artem straps because I thought the dark green goes really well with this forest surroundings. And you get the box from Boldr, which is this one, a pelican box. And what's really cool also, you get this Enigmath calculator where you can do, I think, 12 different calculations. I'll read them out because I don't have them memorized, but I'll read them out shortly after the specs. So the case is 316L steel. As you can see, you have polished parts and brushed parts. You get a Miyota 9039 movement. Here it is, quite well decorated. You get some sticker on the case back signifying Schwarzwald a little bit, some kind of equation also. You get 200 meters water resistance, like I said, 2 screw down crowns, so really nice. You get a like a black matte dial, I would say, really nice. Arabic numerals 2, 4, 6, 10. A triangle on the 12, as you can see, like a flieger, so you know where it's up and down. You get Super Luminova BGW9, so quite good as well. And you get this canvas strap, which I'll show you inside the Pelican case as well. So these are the basic specs of the watch, and the calculations that you can use this watch for while you're on expedition are multiplication, division, calculation of speed, miles per hour or kilometers per hour, travel time, travel distance. You can convert also miles to kilometer or kilometers to miles. You can even calculate fuel consumption, ascent rate, descent rate, and climb rate, and ground distance. And you can have also nautical, nautical and statute mile conversion. So you can do a lot of conversions with it. I'll show you the other cool thing that comes with the watch. So inside this Pelican box you get this really cool, basically a big one from the inner bezel here, where you can do all these calculations. Basically you can calculate, convert, and all this stuff. So it's really nice. I tried it a couple of times and it's really actually makes sense. Like for instance, if you want to calculate miles to kilometers, so basically you set one here and another one here. Or you want to calculate distance, so you get like this, so basically 60 kilometers per hour, and so on. A lot of calculations that it's very useful, and I think it's a really cool gimmick as well. I really liked how the watch looks. The quality build is really nice. The stuff that I didn't like is these two parts, this nautical theme on this watch. This is expedition watch, so for me it doesn't make sense to have these two on them, two parts. And I would have rather have the whole watch sandblasted, no polished parts, because expedition watches tend to get a lot of scratches. So these polished parts will get a lot of scratches with time. So this is another thing. The other thing, the Miyota, it's a loud movement. So take a it's a loud movement for me at least, and I would have rather if they upgraded to the let's say 82 S5 or something like this, the Miyota as well. I think it would have been a better choice, especially with the price point. You have this 560 euros or something like this. So I would think that this would have been a better choice for this watch. Other than that, loom would have been a little bit stronger. I will show you a small loom check afterwards. Maybe I'll put it also on the time grapher when I get back from the forest. But from now, yeah, I'm signing off from the Black Forest. Leave you this beautiful view before I go back into the frontal mode and show you the watch and how it's sticking on the time grapher and the loom as well. So as we can see, I'm ending the review of the Boldr expedition Engimath Schwarzwald with a time grapher test. So it's running around -3, -2, as you can see, which is quite good. High amplitude, I've been wearing it for a couple of weeks now, and relatively okay beat error at 0.3, running on 28,800 vibrations per hour. I think these are great numbers for this Miyota 9015, so well done with the regulation. Yeah, this is one of the points that I said before. I would have rather had another Miyota in this one, maybe a little upgrade, so we don't hear the rotor so hard when you're wearing it. Other than that, the finish on the case, I would have rather have it sandblasted, but all of these are just, like I said, opinions. Thanks again to Boldr for sending me this watch for a review. I'll be sending it back now to the next reviewer. And if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. You'll find the button in the middle. And on the left and on the right are 2 videos that might interest you as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. And let me know in the comment section if you like this kind of video where I combine a couple of let's say viewing modes instead of the monotone viewing modes from the camera in this position. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.